A healthy, thick lawn genuinely starts with dethatching, ripping out the dead grass and moss that chokes new growth so your lawn can actually breathe. In 2026, electric dethatchers make it genuinely effortless. No gas, no fumes, just power. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. The Greenworks 40 volt is the genuine best overall cordless pick, delivering powerful, genuinely battery-powered dethatching freedom without a cord holding you back. The standout is the genuine cordless 40 volt battery power, which delivers genuinely strong, consistent dethatching performance while letting you roam your entire yard freely with no cord to drag, trip over, or manage. A real advantage for larger or more complex lawns with obstacles. The powerful motor genuinely tears out thatch and moss effectively, revitalizing your lawn's ability to breathe and absorb nutrients, and the adjustable depth settings that let you genuinely dial in the right aggressiveness for your grass type. The large collection bag captures genuine debris efficiently, reducing cleanup, and the lightweight, genuinely maneuverable design makes pushing it around your yard easy. The quiet, genuinely fume-free electric operation is a real upgrade over gas models, and Greenworks' battery ecosystem often works across genuine other tools too. Greenworks' reputation for quality outdoor power backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best overall cordless dethatcher with full yard freedom, the Greenworks 40 volt is the most well-rounded, most cordless freedom pick on this entire list. The Works 40 volt cordless lawn dethatcher is the genuine versatile multifunction pick, delivering capable cordless dethatching with genuine thoughtful design touches that make yard work easier. The standout is the genuine combination of cordless 40 volt power and versatile, user-friendly design features, which delivers genuinely strong thatch and moss removal, while including thoughtful touches like adjustable depth settings and a comfortable ergonomic handle that reduces fatigue. A real advantage for anyone who wants both performance and comfort. The powerful motor genuinely rips out dead grass and moss effectively, and the cordless freedom lets you cover your genuine entire yard without cord hassles. The generous collection bag captures debris efficiently, and the lightweight, maneuverable design makes genuine turning and pushing easy. The quiet, fume-free electric operation is genuinely pleasant to use, and Works' compatible battery system often works across genuine other Works tools. Works' reputation for user-friendly outdoor power backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, versatile, comfortable cordless dethatcher, the Works 40 volt is the most user-friendly, most versatile pick on this entire list. The Greenworks 13 amp is the genuine corded, consistent power pick, delivering reliable, genuinely unlimited runtime dethatching power for anyone who prefers not to worry about battery life. Where the Greenworks 40 volt is cordless, the 13 amp model plugs in for genuine unlimited runtime and consistent power output that never fades as a battery drains. A real advantage for larger lawns or longer dethatching sessions where you don't want to stop and recharge. The standout is the genuine, consistent, unwavering corded power, which delivers genuinely steady performance from start to finish, tearing out thatch and moss effectively without the power tapering off. A real reliability advantage over battery models. The adjustable depth settings let you genuinely tune the aggressiveness for your lawn, and the collection bag captures debris efficiently. The lightweight, maneuverable design makes genuine yard work easier, and the quiet, fume-free electric operation is a real upgrade over gas. Greenworks' reputation for reliable outdoor power backs it. For anyone who wants genuine unlimited runtime and consistent corded power, the Greenworks 13 amp is the most consistent, most unlimited runtime pick on this entire list. The Westinghouse 16-inch is the genuine wide path efficiency pick, delivering a genuinely large 16-inch dethatching width that covers more lawn per pass for faster, more efficient yard work. The standout is the genuine wide 16-inch working width, which covers genuinely significantly more ground with each pass than narrower models, letting you dethatch a larger lawn in genuinely less time and with fewer passes. A real advantage for anyone with a mid-sized to large yard who wants efficiency. The powerful motor genuinely tears out thatch and moss effectively across that wide path, and the adjustable depth settings let you genuinely tune aggressiveness for different areas of your lawn. The large collection bag captures genuine ample debris before needing emptying, reducing interruptions, and the sturdy, genuinely stable design handles the wider cutting width well. The quiet, fume-free electric operation is genuinely pleasant, and Westinghouse's reputation for capable outdoor power equipment backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, faster, more efficient dethatching with a wider working path, the Westinghouse 16-inch is the most efficient, most wide path pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the Sunjo 15-inch, the genuine best value pick, delivering capable dethatching performance at a genuinely accessible price for budget-conscious homeowners. For anyone who wants a genuine, capable dethatcher without a premium price, the Sunjo delivers real effective performance at a friendly cost, ideal for smaller to mid-sized lawns and first-time buyers. The standout is the genuine, capable 15-inch dethatching at a value price, which tears out thatch and moss genuinely effectively for a healthier lawn. All at a genuinely accessible cost that undercuts many premium models, a real value advantage. The adjustable depth settings let you genuinely tune the aggressiveness, and the collection bag captures debris to reduce cleanup. The lightweight, genuinely maneuverable design makes yard work easier, and the quiet, fume-free electric operation is a real upgrade over gas alternatives. Sunjo's reputation for accessible outdoor power tools backs it. For budget-conscious homeowners who want a genuine, capable dethatcher at the best value, the Sunjoe 15-inch is the most value-forward, most accessible pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right electric dethatcher, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.